morning and welcome again to Malkia Nutrition. We are glad you're here. Today we are going to be talking about urban farming. Urban farming and regenerative farming is whereby you're growing your crops in a urban area. So I'm going to be showing you what we are doing here in this area where we have settled for now. So we begin here where we are growing black soldier fly larvae. This is where we throw our food waste, and even if the larvae eat a lot, so that's how it works. And if you look closer, you'll see them here, as well as millipedes and a lot of other insects. So we put food waste such as this, and as they eat, as they consume the food waste from our house, we find that they are able to activate seeds. For example, this is an avocado seed. You know, normally it would take very long for it to be activated, but with regenerative farming, whereby you're taking care of the soil, you're taking care of everything, you find that it works really well. It works really well when you're feeding the soil, you're taking care of the seeds. You know exactly what is required for this crops or for you to utilize the small spaces. So here, I want to show you how we are segregating our waste and what we are doing to still continue with the regenerative farming. So these two drums, here we put waste that is not biodegradable. These are food wrappings and waste papers. Then in these two buckets, this one, we put food waste, and we also plant things. These are either avocado or mango seeds. Then here is another worm farm. This is our worm farm again for the larvae, and they eat a lot. They eat a lot. So if you are putting them, you need to feed them. Then there's still this section that has everything. Let me show you. So this one, again, when you're making the beds, beds just make it accommodative for the insects. That is warmth, water, and food waste, as well as protecting them from birds, because birds also love insects. So then here we have this is the last seed bed. We have planted spinach and managu. These are managus that are sprouting over here. These are, okay, I hope you know this is a pumpkin. These are green onions, these two. Then here we have two varieties of legumes. We have yellow beans, these ones, which are flowering, and these are cowpeas or kude. Both you can eat the leaves. Thank you. You can eat the leaves, and you can also harvest the seeds. Then here we are still doing small worm farms, where you just put the food on the ground and then you cover it. All right, so this is some of our pollinators. We have butterfly over here, and we have various kinds. That's a very cute butterfly. It's good for pollinating these ones. You see there are some flowers as well as seeds. These ones are already going to seeds, as you can see. These are yellow beans. They are going to seed. I think it has taken us like maybe 3 months or less. Then down here, we are still doing seed propagation. This is a tree that I can't remember the name right now. We also have an orange there. We're trying to see if it will sprout. So regenerative farming also calls for biodiversity, such that you feed the soil. This is a coconut shell. You just want to see what will come out of it. This is aloe vera. Another how we feed the soil is using these eggshells. We collect them from our own household as well as from egg vendors, and there are so many egg vendors around nowadays. All right, so here we are also trying a few things. This is parsley or dania. We're trying to see if it will grow, and I know it will. We have the cuttings of pineapples. They do really well, and eventually they will give us fruits. And there are several there. They're also good for repelling seed. This is another compost pile. When it is upwards, it's called a pile. And here we put cartons, food waste, grass, all these. The food engineers, the soil engineers will eat them. The soil engineers will eat them, and eventually they will give us manure as well as enrich the soil. So we are also reusing the containers that we have and growing. This is an avocado. We have over here, this is mango, okay, avocado, sorry, and this one is a mango one. And then this is also where we poured a lot of pumpkin seeds and moringa seeds. Moringa were over here. There are still a few down there, but most of them sprout very fast. I also want to show you our colored maize. These ones we are putting them for the next planting season. Mommy, what's this? This is a rainbow, and this is yellow. And the comb, I was told one way to identify them, the comb will be red. Inside the comb will be red. And that is it for our farm tour. And the water, as you've seen, we have the tap over there. So